Okay, how to upkeep your wigs home edition, right? So for me, getting ready for bedtime, I am going to, this is a frontal wig. What I'm going to do is comb all of my hair going forward. Okay. And I'm putting it in a high bun ponytail. This wig is the number 4 in 27 frontal wig from our Goddess Hairwear collection. You're gonna need a bobby pin like this, right? You wanna clip this here. You can have 2 bobby pins, and you want to get another one and clip it here, okay? This is what you wanna do for bedtime. If you wanna style your hair like this, that's fine. But I wanna show you how it works. Then you take a scarf and you tie it. It helps preserve your lace front. Keep it to last long, okay? And there you have it. Now, when you're ready to get up in the morning, you'll have a little curl. So what you wanna do is then you remove this, and then you remove the pins. Okay, you guys? All right. And you just toss it and you're ready to go, ladies, okay? So that's one style. There is another way. Here, I'll show you here how I had it pin curl, all right? So you can do the high ponytail, gives you a little, not too curly, gives you a little curl. And the pin curls give you a little more curls. All right, you guys? I'll show you just quickly how to do pin curls. I'll show you about 3. You want to take it long way, and then you want to twirl it from the bottom, and you grab it like a hamburger, and you begin to do this. You take a bobby pin and you pin it right there. I'll show you again. Again, you take a vertical section. It does not have to be small. You take a vertical section. This is it from the side, and you begin to twirl from the bottom. You begin to twirl it, hold it like a hamburger, and this is your pin curl. You get it, and then you pin it. Ladies, if you need a one-on-one, if you have any questions, these last 2 sections, you do the same thing, all right? When you're done, then you release them, and then they would have been in longer if you leave them overnight, and then you have your pin curls, okay? So hopefully, ladies, that was and then you put your headband. After you pin curl it, then you put your headband. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, follow, leave any comments below, okay? It's been great. Sierra Noel. See ya.